Hello everyone, this is David at Grow and Eat This. These are the beds that I cleared out from the ginger and turmeric yesterday. I've added some compost to them and a bunch of organic fertilizer and some chicken pellets. Now I'm going to start getting them planted with some absolutely beautiful plants. These are cabbages or early Jersey Wakefield. Unbelievable plants. I actually got 2 4-packs of these. They were such amazing looking plants. I'm sure I'm planting these unbelievably closer than you think I should, but I have limited space, limited ability to cover, and I will pump the fertilizer to them and make sure that they have plenty of food to grow. And I got to keep the bugs off of them, so these are going to be a hurry up plant. Okay. Now then, in these 2 beds, I've got a cauliflower, amazing cauliflower. I grew it last year, and I actually did 4 of them in each container, and they did really well. We got a lot of cauliflower off of them, so I'm going to do that again. Even though outwardly that's terrible crowding, they did well. 4 there, 4 down here. You work your soil up as well as I did yesterday. Fresh compost and digging it in. It is so easy to plant. Just use your fingers. Alright, now what I have to do now is get these guys watered in, and then I got to get the bug protection on top of them, because the caterpillars are still out and about, and they'll have these things just riddled with caterpillars soon if I don't get the butterflies so they can't get to the plants. So this is David at Grow and Eat This. Here's some cabbages and some cauliflower. Yesterday it was turmeric and ginger. It is October 19th. Pretty steady in the 40s in the daytime. And then next week I think it's 40s and 60s. So pretty good weather for all this stuff. Well, here's that bed all tucked away with the bug screen cloth on it. Keep it a little bit warmer in case it decides to get colder than they're telling us it will. And I got it covered all the way around. I put logs and stuff on the bottom even though I've got clips, because if it gets just one little opening it'll blow everything apart. And I don't want any bugs getting in there messing with my cabbages and my cauliflower. So this is David at Grow and Eat This. Please subscribe. If you got any comments on this, other than, boy, this sure is kind of a cheapo way to do it, please let me know. This screen here has been used, as you can tell, many times over the years, and it's still hanging together for me. So thank you for watching. Get out in the garden.